City. Yeah, ha, ha, ha. Rain City back in the frame, kitty. Nobody better in the game. Critic, AKB, dizzy rap on the beat. We be putting your whack shit to shame. We don't need to talk all that street. Pretty all up in your MP3. Them here to entertain, no need to pretend. You a G, silly, better to contend on a level that a rebel comprehends. Just a pity that the real shit got no play. You can list of artists that made no contribution to your brain. And it's okay, you enjoy it all the same. But to some of us it's not about having to change. We can give a fuck about Kanye's fame or his newborn's dumbass name. Some asking name questions, acting like undercat, that's insane. But actually I'm the one stepping to the plate. Up to bat ever since I was fresh at the gate. God bless the pressure for setting my priorities straight. When I started at 14 I was already late, so I got some mistakes to set straight.
And you say Rain City, championship baby, bringing real hip hop back. Yeah. And you say Rain City, it's the champion's track. We got everything, motherfucker. What you know about that?
Lebih seperti bertarung, bukan kucing dalam karung. Tak sembunyi dalam sarung, rimaku buat kau buru. Masih bebas seperti burung, energiku tak terkurung. Larut dalam jiwa, berikan nafas nyawa. Representasi di bawah, gayaku bukan untuk disewa. Pakai barang mewah, tak jadikan kau istimewa. Kosong dalam pesan, lepas tapi pas-pasan. Tervariatif buatku bosan, beku bagai terobosan. Menghantam dengan silat lidah. Jika kau lelah berhentilah sudah. Mengikutiku tak mudah, perspektifku berpindah. Sibuk mengakui jati diri tapi tak kenal diri sendiri. Lirik apa yang kau beri, coba balik pelajari. Ambil buku di lemari, baca dan cermati. Jangan bodoh sampai mati, buat otakmu setajam belati.
And you say Rain City, championship baby, bring a real hip hop back. And you say Rain City, it's the champion's track. We got easy, motherfucker. What you know about that?
From the whole world laughing at your more words, pointing at you as if it was a gun, and you're horrified cause everybody wants you. You're tested by the words of the purse. She even convinced you were hers, now you're gone and that shit hurts. The fastest way to learn is by watching a snail skiing. Being impatient shows you that you're a pathetic human being. Bringing the noise back loud, it's like taking Jordan's rings out of his fingers. Nothing new can afford to slow down the crowd. I'm neither into heavyweight champions nor doing rap for the fashion. I just like smashing lyrics, so I love that action. Rhymes is special when you're fine, line up your ears. Tears on forbidden cause you're not written among the best of feared. Not this year, yet maybe next year. I know it's fucking complex when the bomb is on the track. Crack the mystery and make fake rappers agree. No use for them anywhere near your bitch, get out of here.
And you say Rain City, championship baby, bringing real hip hop back. And you say Rain City, it's the champion's track. We got AKB, motherfucker. What you know about that?